Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that just simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is absolutely perfect if you are needing to move furniture, especially if you are by yourself. So this was sent over by a company called KEDSUM, and it is a furniture moving set, if you will. So what are you going to get once you open it up? So first off, you are going to get a 4-pack of these really cool wheels set up here. So you're going to get a ton of them. Each one has 3 strong wheels. The wheels themselves are about 2 inches. They are very, very fluid and smooth, 360-degree rotating. So no matter what piece of furniture you're moving, you're going to be able to glide across the surface and get it to where it needs to go. Now you'll notice above each wheel here, you're going to have a non-slip pad to protect your furniture. And then you're going to have this like little dip here. So how these work is if you are moving a piece of furniture, let's say a dresser that's flat, you can set it here and it works perfectly. You just put one in all the corners and you're good to go. However, let's say you're moving a table that has legs. Well, then that will go down here in this position. So it makes it very flexible when it comes to moving any type of piece of furniture. Now, each one of these little pieces here is about 3 inches square, if you will, since it's a little triangle shape. But then it sits off the ground, basically about 3 inches in height. So because the wheels themselves are about 2 inches itself. So all made out of a super strong metal. Each little setup here can support about 287 pounds itself. So the whole system can do 1,150 pounds. So it can pretty much move almost all pieces of furniture, whether it's a refrigerator, whether it's your stove, whether it's your tabletop, whether it's your couch, beds, etc. out there. It's going to be very easy to move alive. Now, also in this set, you're going to get basically these little spacers here, the little plastic spacers. You can set these up here in the middle and kind of elevate if you need to. But why I said this is perfect for when you are by yourself, they also include this little device here. And so what this is a little lifter. So it has these 3 little wheels here. You're gonna sit there and slide this underneath the piece of furniture. Then you're gonna pull this up and then you can slide in the wheel part itself. So that way you don't have to have somebody lifting the furniture while you're sliding this in. You're able to utilize this little piece here. Once again, also made out of all nice, strong metal. So it's very, very easy to utilize. And just has a little rubber grip handle here at the end. But overall, very, very cool devices. Very easy to move furniture around. Whether you're moving furniture around in your house, whether you're moving to a new place, this is definitely just a must-have around. So that way you are save your back, make moving furniture a lot easier. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.